for breakfast, Gabi.
You want to make some sushi?
Some sushi. Can you cut up the rolls first?
First you have to get your knife and you cut the roll.
Okay, turn it. There we go. Hold on to the handle. Okay, we're going to cut the rolls. Go ahead. Nice one. Got a few more to cut. Nice one. Good. Good. Whoops. Ready? Good. Here's a few more. 2 more cuts, okay? There you go. Good. All right, now what? Now we put the knife down. We get our chopsticks. Can you get the chopsticks, Gabi? Good. Okay, we get our bowl. Where's our bowl? Good. Okay, let's bring it over here. Can we put some wasabi in the bowl? Where's the wasabi? There it is. So put the wasabi in the bowl of soy sauce. Go get our chopsticks again. Pick up one of our sushis. There you go. Dip it in the soy sauce. Okay, and eat it. Delicious. Can I try? Delicious.